Hi Explorers! Welcome to Elementary Explorers. Today, we're going to learn how to build sentences. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Every sentence has three main parts: a subject, a verb, and sometimes an object. The subject tells us who or what the sentence is about. Here, it's the cat. The verb tells us what the subject is doing. In this sentence, the verb is runs. Some sentences also have an object, which tells us what the action is happening to. Here, the object is the ball. Let's build a sentence together. First, pick a subject. Great! Now pick a verb. Awesome! Now add the rest of the sentence. Fantastic! You built a sentence, now it's your turn. Build a sentence with these words. Start with the subject. Excellent! Next, choose a verb. You're doing great! Finally, add the object. Wonderful! You've built another sentence. Now it's challenge time. Build a sentence with these words. You have 5 seconds. Write the answer in comments. Did you get it? Awesome job, explorers! Today, we learned how to build sentences using a subject, a verb, and an object. Great work, everyone! Keep practicing your sentence building skills, and we'll see you next time on Elementary Explorers. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye for now.